Hi everybody, it's Joy from the Community Connections Department here at Riverside, the Miami County Board of Developmental Disabilities. Today I've got my two helpers back again and we are going to make homemade Play-Doh. So let's tell you what we got here. First thing we're going to add is 2 cups of flour. Harlow, you want to dump that in the pan? So put all that in there. It's 2 cups of flour. Then we have 3/4 of a cup of salt. Joey, do you want to put that one in there? 3/4 cup of salt. Put it all in there. Then we have 4 teaspoons of cream of tartar. So that all goes in there. Make sure you hit the pan. Okay. That's all it takes for the dry stuff. Joey, do you want to stir that up? Stir all that up. Get it all mixed up really, really good. Okay, once you've got that stirred up, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of oil. Go ahead, add that, Harlow. Put it all in there. And then 2 cups of water. Go ahead, Joey. Can you get that in there? 2 full cups of lukewarm water, I should say. And now, get that all stirred up again, and then we're going to put this on the stove on medium heat. Okay, stir it slowly so you don't spill it. You put that on the medium heat, and when you start it, you've got to stir it constantly. And then as it gets warm, it'll get real thick in the consistency of Play-Doh. And then once it gets all in like a ball, then you take it off the heat, and then you put it in Ziploc baggies. And then if you want to add color to it, well, we're going to add some food color here to it, and you can make different colors. So I'm going to set this one back and get it ready to go. And we've already got another batch done. So I've got a batch done, so each of the girls are going to get one, and then we can add food colors. So what colors do you guys want?
I want purple. I want to try and make purple. I'm trying to make...
Well, yellow or green?
Just green.
Okay. So Harlow wants to try purple, so what does it take to make purple?
Red and blue.
All right, so you're going to put about 3 drops of each color. Let me open it so you don't spill it all over your shirt.
I want to drop
3 drops of each color in there.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, and then 3 of the red. And then if we need more, we'll add more.
2, 3.
Okay. So close that up. And then you're just going to start, let me get all the air out. Get all the air out, and then you're just going to start mushing it inside the bag like this. Get it all mixed up. All right, Joey, you want green?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to put 4 drops, or 6. We're going to try 6. So when you make a drop, you just squeeze 1. You see how I did that?
I get it being a pretty color.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, we'll do the same thing. We'll close yours up, and then you're going to smush it around like Harlow is.
Smush. I think we need more.
We probably will, because this has got quite a bit in one little bag.
Then I want...
Yep, you just start smushing like that.
Smush, 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 smush,
See?
smush, smush, smush. I think a little bit blue red. Then,
Yep, how about...
then I want blue.
Well, we'll have to, when we cook another batch, we'll do some other colors. I'd put about 3 or 4 more in. 4.
I did 5 drops.
And then put some more blue in there. So the girls are going to get this all smushed up
1,
and
2,
get the colors that they want, and we're going to get another batch going. But you can do this at home too. You can Make your own Play-Doh at home. Have some fun with the kiddos. And once we get this all mixed up, I'll get the cookie cutters out and they can make all kinds of things. Thanks, guys, for listening. Bye. Say bye, girls.
Bye.